Hello everyone. Morning we saw two lessons in Excel regarding using the simple formulas like sum, average, average with condition, and sum if. In Excel, there are always multiple ways that you can get the results. For example, now we know average function we are using directly as average and the range is another method that you can use to generate the average output, which is start your formula with sum function, sum of, select the range, close the bracket, divide over, count the number of values. That gives an average which is 4.6. You can verify this by selecting the range below, it will show you 4.6, which is correct. There's another third method that you can use it by passing the condition. If you want to calculate the average which is greater than 0, then again you can make use of equal sign, sum, select the range, close the bracket, divide over. Instead of using just count function, you can make use of count if function. Press tab key. It says select the range. We'll be using the same range as we used it before. Close the bracket. Before closing the bracket, just give comma and your criteria which is greater than 0. Now close the bracket, press enter. Your result is correct, which is 15 over 3. That will be average of 5. So thank you very much. Stay connected for the next lesson.